A body of mass 5 kg is projected up a broad inclined plane at 30 degrees to the horizontal with an initial velocity of 6 meters per second. If the frictional force opposing its motion is 4.5 Newton, find the distance it travels before coming to rest and its increase in the potential energy at the end of the run. So here we have an inclined plane which is inclined at 30 degrees to the horizontal. The vertical height is h. A body of mass 5 kg is projected up a broad inclined plane. So let's say here we have a block or a body of mass 5 kilogram, and that is projected with initial velocity 6 meters per second. When it comes to rest, let us say it comes to rest at this particular height. So when it comes to rest, how much distance it has covered by then? So we want to find out the distance or the displacement s. Now here, since initial velocity 6 meter per second is given, we can find out what is the initial kinetic energy. Kinetic energy, that is half mv square. That is equal to half into mass 5 kilogram, velocity is 6. So 6 square 36, 5 into 18, that is 90 joule. So a body is projected with 90 joules of energy. But as the body is moving along the inclined plane, there is also frictional force, and that is 4.5 Newton. So out of 90 joule, some amount of energy is used to overcome the friction, and work done by the frictional force can be calculated using the formula F into S. Okay, F into S. Remember, this F here is the frictional force. And with the remaining energy, it reaches to the final point. So when the block is at the final point, what is its energy? That is the potential energy, mgh. So now let us substitute the values. 90 joule minus frictional force is 4.5 Newton. Distance we want to find out. Mass of the object 5 kilogram. Acceleration due to gravity 10 into height. Now we do not know what is this vertical height, but we can use trigonometry to find that out. Distance here is s. This angle is 30 degree. Vertical height is h. Sine 30 is equal to opposite h upon hypotenuse s. Sine 30 is half is equal to h upon s. So we can say h is equal to s by 2. So taking the value of h is equal to s by 2, here we get 90 minus 4.5 s is equal to 50 into s by 2. 50 by 2, 25. So 90 minus 4.5 s is equal to 25 s. So we get 90 is equal to 25 plus 4, 29.5 s, and hence the value of s is equal to 90 divided by 29.5, and that is approximately 3.1 meter. We also want to find out increase in the potential energy at the end of the run. So increase in the potential energy, or U is equal to mgh, mass 5 kilogram, g 10, h is equal to s by 2, that is 3.1 divided by 2. So here we get the answer 77.5 joule. That is the increase in its potential energy at the end of the run.